Welcome to Erin, Lee, and Friends. Hey friends, it's Erin Lee. Who's having a birthday this season? Who's having a birthday this year? Well, here's an easy acting exercise that warms you up while calming you down. And guess what? It's all about birthdays. Are you ready?
Ready!
We're gonna start with a tongue twister. Tongue twisters not only warm up your whole mouth, but they're fast, they're fun, and most importantly, they focus your energy. Here we go. Blow out the burning birthday candles on the caramel custard cake. You try it.
Blow out the burning birthday candles on the caramel custard cake.
You go.
Your turn.
Blow out the burning birthday candles on the caramel custard cake. Your turn.
Blow out the burning birthday candles on the caramel custard cake.
Now you try it. The cake is right in front of you. Do you see it? Warm up your imagination. We're gonna focus all our energy on that cake. Make a wish. Breathe in and make it a good one that will make you feel peaceful and happy. And now slowly and evenly blow out those candles. It's a year later. There's one more candle. Take an even deeper breath and blow them all out. Now slowly and evenly, without spitting all over the cake, blow out those candles. It's 10 years later. That's a lot of candles. Take a deep, slow, even breath and quietly blow all those candles out. Make a wish. Breathe in and make it a good one that will make you feel peaceful and happy. Did you do it?
Yes!
Then you've warmed up your mouth. You've warmed up your face. You've warmed up your imagination. And most importantly, while you were warming yourself up, you were also calming yourself down. Good job. Take a bow. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you've performed one of our songs, email us. We'd love to hear about it. Our concerts are posted on our webpage and all our social media pages. The links are in the description box right below. See you next time.